All right, guys. Hey, let's review how to do slope a little bit more. Um, First off, let's take a look at all these lines. This first line is definitely positive. This next line is decreasing, so it's negative. Number 3 is going to be negative. Number 4 is going to be positive. Number 5 is going to be negative. And number 6 is going to be a flat line, 0 slope. Okay, I want to do just 2 of these and then I'll show you how to do the rest. So again, you're going to make a slope triangle. So I'm going to go over and then I'm going to just shade it in and I'm going to go down. And there's my slope triangle. Can you guys see that? So it's 1, 2, 3 in the run department. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the rise department. And we know that slope is rise over run. M is slope. I don't know why they named M slope. That's weird. But anyway, so let's see, the rise is 6 and the run is 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, okay. So you find your answer over here, 2. Uh-oh, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Why can't I see it? Uh, What am I doing wrong, man? 6 over 3 is 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Can I just not see it? Oh, negative 2. Sorry, I didn't realize. The slope is negative, isn't it? So it was a negative. So negative 2. Do y'all get why it's negative 2? Now I do. All right. So negative 2. Pay attention, Mr. Mac. All right. I'm going to do number 4 with you. I'm going to draw a slope triangle. There's one. And then I'm going to draw another one. Okay. Or I could have just drawn one big one, right? Like that. But anyway, my rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my run is 1, 2. So slope, remember, is rise over run. So in this case, it's 6 over 2, which is a great answer, but you're not going to find 6 over 2 because 6 divided by 2 is 3, governor. So find 3, cross it off, or yeah, cross it off. The remaining letters will say something. Okay. All right. So let's move on to, I'll do 7, 11, and 15. So now we just give you 2 points and you got to find the slope. No more graph. Oh no. But what you can do is put, make it so it looks like a table. Table is pretty easy. So I'm just going to do this. I'm going to cross that off and put them like that. And then just find the slope is change in y over change in x. So to find the change, you just subtract 1 minus 3. That'd be negative 2. And then 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 would be negative 3. So again, all I did was I did change in y, over change in x. So 2 minus 5. Okay? Now when you go to find this answer, you're not going to see it because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Okay? All right, let's go find our answer. 2/3, cross it off right here. All right, let's try number 11. Number 11, so I'm just going to bring down the 9 and the 2 and cross this off now. And now I'm going to find the change. Find the change in y. The change in y. So that's this. So 2 minus negative 1. So I can just type that into my calculator, right? That's 3. And then I'm going to do 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. So 3/6 is a good answer, but if you simplify it, you'll get 1/2. Okay? Anywho, so let's just review. What did we just do? We did change in y. So we subtracted 2 minus negative 1 to find the change in y over the change in x. So we did 9 minus 3 to get 6. So we got 3 and 6, and then if you reduce 3/6, you get 1/2. Okay? Find our answer. 1/2 is right here. All right? One more to go, number 15, and then I think you got it. I don't know. It's tricky. It's tricky. So this time maybe I'll just put the -2, 0 here. Okay? So let's find the change in y. So the change in y is going to be 0 minus -8. And that would be 8. Check me on a calculator if you don't believe me. And -2 subtract -4. -2 subtract -4 would give me a 2. And again, you can check me on the calculator. So we did change in x and we did change in y. And let's just highlight it so we can see it. So the change in x was 2. And the change in y was 8. And 8 divided by 2 is quattro. 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 So 4. All right, guys. Hey, do your best, forget the rest. Remember, slope is change in y, the rise, over the run. So change in y rhymes with rise. Change in x is just, I don't know, the run. So there you go, folks. Have a good day. Get your homework done and